What's going on YouTube? So today I'm going to be trying this Fashion Flex puff material by Specialty Materials. I hadn't seen this material before. I'd heard about it but never used it. And what it's supposed to do, it's just a vinyl, HTV vinyl material. Looks like a regular white vinyl, but what it's supposed to do is actually puff after you heat press it. So we're going to check it out, see how it looks, see how it works, and let's get into it. Alright, so I have my image here, have my plotter ready to go. We're gonna run test here. Alright, let's run it. Alright, so I ran into a little snag here. I actually printed it the wrong way. So the shiny side is usually the backing and the matte side is always the vinyl side, but here it's in reverse. The shiny side is the vinyl and the matte is the backing. So we gotta do this again, take two. See that? It cut on the actual backing here. So shiny side, print side. This material is about $6 a square foot. This is an expensive mistake. Hopefully we get it right this time. All right, so I'm gonna send. All right, so let's see if I got it right this time. Looks like it. This material weeds like butter. I like it. Not sure what you need to get started or just want to upgrade your equipment? Be sure and check out my Amazon store for the best deals on print supplies and equipment all in one place. See what it does. Look at that. Oh man, this actually looks like screen print, like a real bad screen print. It has looks like a ton of ink. I'm gonna take it outside right now so you can check it out. But that looks crazy. I like it. I really like it. So let's check it out here out in the light. So there it is right there. Did a real good job of puffing. See if you can see that here. See that on top, how it rises up. It's not just flat. I really like the way this came out. You can even see it right here. Look at that. It gives it more of a premium feel. Like I mentioned, it looked like a real bad screen print job. What I mean is somebody that's just starting out, they kind of blotch it out a little bit, but this doesn't look blotched out. It just looks, I mean, it looks good. It actually feels like ink. It doesn't feel like a transfer, like vinyl. Nice. Look at all that puff right there. So there it is. Thank you for watching. Check you on the next one. Be sure and check out my channel for more helpful screen print videos. Don't forget to click the link in the description for screen print supplies on sale right now from Amazon. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.